Inside your profile, you'll find Purchase Credit. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where everything opens up. With one single purchase, you get access to every AI model on the platform. When it comes to payment, you have options. Pay securely through Stripe, or if you're based in India, you can switch your currency to INR anytime from settings, because this platform was built for everyone wherever you are. Choose the currency that feels right for you. Select your amount, and when you're ready, hit pay. Your payment safely and securely. Take a breath. It only takes a moment. There it is. Payment successful. You did that. Now close the tab and come back to your workspace. Click Confirm Payment and let the system quietly verify everything in the background. No rushing. It's got you. Once it's confirmed, check your credits. They're there, ready and waiting. Now get back to what you were building. You've got every tool you need right here.